I'm Darren McDonald from Total Trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to make some high protein snacks. Protein is really important because it not only helps maintain and build muscle, but it boosts the metabolism. So the first recipe we're going to share with you today is with using low-carb tortilla wraps. To that, we're going to add some bagged mixed salad with some low-fat, low-carb Caesar dressing. Mix that in with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And we're going to put that together, mix it with our chicken, and we're going to garnish it with a little bit of chopped tomato, as you can see here. Our second wrap will have some low-carb, fat-free Philadelphia brand cheese added to it with some roast beef, and we're going to garnish that with some sprouts, chopped onion, cucumber, and a little bit of tomato, as you can see right here. Now, when we're looking at other protein sources, we can use chicken, turkey, or tuna, and we can mix that for a mayo-based salad. So when we're really looking at something that's more traditional, we would mix the mayo with some chicken, cucumber, and onion, as you can see here. If we want to get a little more creative, then we can take tuna and mix it with artichoke hearts, some chopped olives, and tomato, together with our mayo for a quick and easy snack. And finally, we have over here, we've got a chicken salad with chopped tomatoes, celery, grapes, and just a little bit of walnuts to finish this off. Now, when we're talking about great snacks, we can talk about Oat Bran. Oat Bran is really less carb dense than oatmeal is. And what that means is that it's better for your blood sugar levels. So when we take something like Oat Bran, and we're going to add to that a little bit of protein powder, and in this case it's chocolate protein powder, and this is our own brand, Metabocyst protein powder. You have a high protein snack that is also great for stabilizing your blood sugar levels, and it's very filling because that's the fiber that is included with the Oat Bran. So that is how you make great tasting high protein snacks. I'm Darren McDonald for Total Trainer saying, remember, be good to your metabolism, and it'll be good to you. For more information on how to boost your metabolism and to find out your personal body chemistry, please check out our website at www.gototaltrainer.com, and you can find these delicious recipes posted there on our blog as well.